We left camp this morning at like, what time is it? Like 3:30? 3:45?
Yeah.
Something like that, before 4, and we've been walking. We've almost made it to the approach, and yeah, gonna do this Forester Pass thing. It's happening. It is beautiful out. Yeah, how you feeling?
Feeling stoked.
Yeah, we made it up the sketchy snow, and we made it up the switchbacks, and now we have the sketchy other snow. But I feel like Whitney was good training for this, at least. It's really beautiful. The sunrise was awesome. It was a really big distraction though while we were walking up, but in a good kind of way. How you doing?
Snotty. Good. I'm doing good. This is amazing. I'm excited to do this. Get it done. And then I'm excited to go get pizza and Bishop.
Pizza and beer. So much food.
Pizza and beer. Yeah. Yeah, Paolo, you got this, buddy.
Yeah, party time! Woo! Okay, good job, Forester!
We did it!
Yeah, we made it to the top, highest point of the PCT.
Yeah!
Layers.
And now for the way down.
Head for the sun, follow your footsteps, edge of the world, right to your doorstep, home. Anywhere you wanna go. Beyond the stars, out where the sun sets, we'll find the light and we'll keep it our secret. Oh, anywhere you wanna go. Down any road, anywhere you wanna go. I'll show you my world. Oh, show you my world. Oh, show you my world.
We come to a creek crossing, and there's a log. We're gonna scooch across, not walk across. We were way too tired for that. We woke up so early, but scooching across seems safe. We walked up and down the creek and couldn't find a better place to cross. Yeah! We all made it safely. Scooching, win. We did it.
Outrun the dark, keep our eyes open, mountains we cross, sail every ocean, no. Anywhere you wanna go, I'll show you my world.
Yeah. We made it to camp. It's been a long day. We took a big long nap in the lunch break in the middle of the day, and then we continued walking, and we ended up in this snowy snowfields. It's supposed to be a campground, but obviously it's covered in snow, but we've made the most of it. We found enough drive spots for tents, and now we're cooking dinner. Spaghetti and tomato sauce. Ooh. What are you eating tonight?
This is some beef and barley soup,
Oh.
homemade by Mama Huddleston.
Oh, wow, that looks amazing.
It's my favorite meal. I saved it for the last day. I'm
Yeah.
really excited about it. What about you?
I have some coconut curry, also made by Mama
Lentils?
Huddleston.
Mama Huddleston's crushing it.
Nice.
Lentils,
Yeah.
yeah.
What do you got? Beans.
I'm doing couscous and veggies with some refried beans.
Yeah, that sounds
the
good.
beans.
Nice. We got some gourmet stuff. Can't believe we did Forester today. That was crazy. That's one thing that I remember seeing in so many pictures and videos for so long when I was researching, and we just did that. How'd you guys like today?
Probably my favorite part of the trail so far.
Wow,
That was a high statement.
What do you think?
I would agree.
Yeah, the sunrise was awesome.
Didn't have to self-arrest.
Didn't have to self-test. I didn't get to partake in that. Also, this is my third string cheese of the day. Yeah.
Tomorrow we go to town. Yeah. Oh, we've already decided we want pizza and beer, and mostly I'm really also excited for shower and laundry because we've been out here for like, I don't know, 8 days, or it will be 8 days tomorrow. It's a long time, so it's exciting stuff. We're gonna wake up early and then just head in. We're going down Kearsarge Pass, and I think it's like 8-ish miles.
Fly down it.
Yeah, to a trailhead, and then hopefully get a ride to Independence, and then hopefully a ride to Bishop, or maybe just a ride all the way to Bishop. Yeah.
That would be ideal.
And like someone in a van that can take all of us.
Straight to a pizza place.
Yeah. If they could have pizza in the van, that would be most ideal,
yeah.
but
Oh.
we'll take what we can get.
Yeah.
Show you my world.
Good morning. Pretty cold last night. Woke up today to frozen tent, frozen shoes, frozen water. The night before last night we put our shoes in a plastic bag in our tent so they wouldn't freeze, but for some reason we didn't do it last night. Like, can't move that. That's hard. Frozen. Got ice water. But that's okay because we're going to town. We have 8 miles. Yeah. This is quite the side trail to town, but I think we have like 2.5 miles left, and it's so beautiful. Crazy lakes, crazy mountains, a lot of snow still, but we're feeling close. Oh, we got service for a second, so we booked some rooms at Hostel California. We've heard a lot of good things, so we're very excited. We made it to the parking lot! Yay! Now we gotta do that awkward thing where we try and get a ride from someone. Please.
It was really.
Oh my dear, I wish to lead a country life. Hard work, low wages. These days they lie ahead of us, just out of reach. We're making changes.
This is what we do.
I open the book, you turn the pages. Take what we want, take what we need. This little heart, this dog we feed, this land of us, it's all we need. Give me warmth and shelter, heart as welter. Count on me.
Behind our Happy birthday to you.
I've been breathing since 85. And my hair's now graying. All night, I would like you by my side.
Good morning. It's, I don't know what day it is. We've been in Bishop now for 2.5 days. Yeah. And we're getting ready to leave, but there's 4 of us in a room and it's just stuff everywhere. And we've got new stuff and we have food for about 10 days, so there's a lot going on, and now we have to try and pack it all up. We got a new spoon because my other spoon started falling apart. I got 2 new pairs of socks, bag liner. Wow, so exciting. How do you feel?
Overwhelmed. Somehow all of this stuff has to fit into one backpack. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. The next hour. A lot of stuff going on.
Yeah.
We got some new gloves though.
Oh yeah.
Matt's new gloves.
Nice.
Some cold soaking jar.
Oh.
Yeah. A map.
Oh yeah,
Because
look
we
at
are
us.
prepared.
We're retro.
Yeah. And
Prepared, yeah.
yeah, or retro.
Yeah.
A lot of stuff.
A lot of stuff.
We look like a mess.
Look at Nick with his new beard. No beard. It's my new beard. I'm starting
How
You
do
got a new beard?
How do you feel about your? Can you give some updates?
Yeah, how do I feel about my face?
Yeah.
It's disappointing.
What have you been doing, Nick?
I've just been on holiday. It's been great.
Yeah, I haven't been stressed at all about the next section.
I haven't been
It's just been a
stressing.
breeze.
No, we've just been researching about what all the rivers and stuff we're about to come up against, and the passes we have to go over. So, yeah, it's going to be slow going, but we're going to do it safely.
Alright, we've made it back to Onion Valley. Our packs are super heavy. I think, well, Bart weighed hers. She had 20 pounds of food. So that's, I mean, I don't know how much your pack normally weighs, but yeah, 20 pounds is like what I want my pack to weigh in total, so I don't know. It's a lot of food. I think we have like 10 days worth of food, but honestly I may have more. And we're planning on 8 days to VVR. So we just have extra in case that we can't cross a creek, or yeah, we have I don't know, anything that we need extra food for. So I'd rather have that, but man, it's heavy. Getting out of Bishop, we got a ride first to Independence with a nice woman from LA, and then we got a ride from a family also from LA up to Onion Valley, and they were really cool, super cool family, hikers and living the van life for the summer. So yep, now we're out here. We're trying to go as far as we can. Not even back to the PCT yet. We still have 8 miles and some change to go before we reach the PCT, so yeah.
Probably not happening tonight.
No, I don't think so. It's probably like 5 p.m. ish. Back to it. Back to it.